What are you doing, little sausage? Bless you. Are you on a train? Are you gonna smile for me now? No, I want the grumpy look. I want a true smile. There we go. Good boy. I like going on trains.